Hey everyone, today I'll compare QuickBooks Live, Bench, and Pilot. QuickBooks Live is a bookkeeping service offered by Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks. When you sign up for QuickBooks Live, you are matched with a dedicated bookkeeper who helps you manage your business finances. Your bookkeeper will help you organize your books, categorize transactions, reconcile your accounts, and prepare reports each month. One of the biggest advantages of QuickBooks Live is that it works directly inside your QuickBooks online account, so everything is kept in one familiar place. You can also schedule video calls with your bookkeeper whenever you have questions, which gives you a personal touch without needing to hire someone full-time. QuickBooks Live is great for businesses that already use QuickBooks and want reliable, ongoing support to keep their books accurate. However, it is mainly focused on bookkeeping and does not include services like tax filing or complex financial consulting, so you may still need additional help during tax season. Also, pricing is based on your monthly expenses, so if your business grows quickly, your costs could rise too. Bench is another bookkeeping service that gives small businesses a complete team to manage their financial records. When you join Bench, you are assigned a team of real human bookkeepers who do your books every month and provide you with easy-to-read financial statements. Bench's platform is clean and simple, allowing you to message your bookkeeping team, view reports, and track your financial health whenever you want. One special thing about Bench is that they offer Bench Tax, an add-on service that includes tax filing and year-end preparation, make them a full bookkeeping and tax solution. Bench is an excellent choice if you want to completely hand over your bookkeeping and not worrying about categorizing or reconciling transactions yourself. They specialize in working with the small businesses and freelancers who prefer to stay hands-off with their finances. However, Bench uses its own software instead of QuickBooks or other common accounting tools, which might make switching system harder if you outgrow them later. Also, while they are great for standard bookkeeping, businesses with complex accounting needs might need a more customizable service. Pilot is a premium bookkeeping and CFO service that targets growing startups and larger small businesses. When you choose Pilot, you get a dedicated team that not only handles your bookkeeping but can also offer CFO level advice if you need strategic financial planning. Pilot focuses heavily on accuracy, automation, and scalability using smart software along with the human bookkeepers to deliver very detailed monthly reports. One great thing about Pilot is that it offers additional services like tax preparation, R&D tax credit support, and financial reporting designed for startups seeking funding. Pilot is an excellent if you want bookkeeping done to a very standard and expect your business to scale fast. They integrate with tools like QuickBooks Online, Gusto, Stripe, and more to pull in your data automatically. However, Pilot's pricing is much higher than QuickBooks Live and Bench, so it's better suited for businesses that are already profitable or receiving investments. Another thing to know is that Pilot focuses on businesses that operate mostly in the US and deal with the standard accounting needs. Very unique industries might find it less flexible. If you are small business owners already using QuickBooks and you just want to keeping your books neat and organized, QuickBooks Live is a solid and affordable choice. If you want a more complete service that handles both bookkeeping and tax filing on a user-friendly platform, Bench would be a better option. And if you are running a fast-growing business or startup and you want high-end bookkeeping with CFO-style advice included, Pilot will be the best fit for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.